Possible new target approaching target 1 building. Designate new target, target 5.
Pilot copies.
Sensor copies.
White pickup arrived in front of target building.
Pilot copy.
2 passengers, including target 5, have entered the building from the white pickup. Confirm target in building.
Copy. Sensor confirms.
If possible, keep eyes on building and pickup. Building has the priority.
Pilot. MC, in order to do that, I need tail 107 to come off its current target. Get permission for 107 to come south.
MC, copy.
And sensor, leave the bridge locked up till we get permission to come off that target.
Roger, Wilco.
Pilot, MC, Shade 2-2, cleared off target.
Sensor, you can break lock on the bridge and lock up the target 5 with tail 107.
Roger.
And we got 60 degrees more of heading.
Copy.
Pilot, Sentinel, request weapons loadout.
Sentinel, pilot, I've got 8 missiles and 2 bombs on 2 predators in the target vicinity.
Target 5 leaving building, entering pickup. Pickup now has priority.
Pilot copies.
Sensor copies.
Pilot, Sentinel, expect to be cleared hot on white pickup.
Pilot. Sensor, let's spin up a weapon on tail 107.
Copy.
Pre-launch checklist.
PRF code.
Entered.
AEA power.
On.
AEA bit.
In progress. Passed.
Weapon power.
On.
Weapon bit.
Passed.
Code weapons.
Coded.
Weapon status.
Weapons ready.
Pre-launch checklist complete.
Pilot, Sentinel, you are cleared to engage white pickup truck at your discretion.
Pilot cleared to engage white pickup truck. Looks like it's on the move. Launch checklist. MTS auto track.
Established.
Laser.
Laser selected.
Go ahead and arm your laser.
Lasers armed.
Master arm is hot. Go ahead and fire the laser.
Lasing.
We're within range. 3, 2, 1, rifle. 3, 2, 1, impact. Excellent job.